Hello, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another exciting episode of this Pi Network series on my channel Staro Technology. In today's video, we're delving into Pi Network's vision and mission, what drives this unique cryptocurrency project. Whether you're new to Pi or want to understand the bigger picture, this video is for you. Why vision and mission matter. Before we dive into Pi Network's vision and mission, let's understand why they are significant. Think of them as the guiding principles that shape the game you're playing. They provide a sense of direction and purpose to the project. Pi Network's vision. Pi Network's vision is to create a more inclusive and decentralized digital economy where everyday people can participate. It's like imagining a game world where everyone has an equal chance to succeed, regardless of their background or resources. Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency and blockchain technology accessible to all. Think of Pi Network's vision as a game world where everyone starts on a level playing field. No one has an advantage because of their starting point, making it fair for everyone. Mission. To achieve this vision, Pi Network's mission is to build a secure and user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency and smart contracts. It's like the game developer's mission to create an enjoyable and seamless gaming experience. Pi Network wants to make using cryptocurrencies as easy as sending a text message. Imagine a game developer's mission to make their game simple to understand and fun to play. Pi Network's mission is similar, but in the context of cryptocurrency, empowering individuals. Part of Pi Network's mission is to empower individuals by giving them control over their financial resources. It's like a game that lets you customize your character and choose your path. In the world of Pi Network, you have control over your financial destiny. Think of Pi Network as a game that allows you to make strategic decisions that impact your progress. Your choices determine your success. Community-centric approach. Pi Network places a strong emphasis on community. It's like a game that encourages players to work together, share strategies, and build alliances. The Pi Network community actively participates in decision-making and contributes to the project's development. Imagine a game where players form guilds, share tips, and collectively shape the game's world. That's the kind of community-driven approach Pi Network follows. In summary, Pi Network's vision and mission are all about creating an inclusive, user-friendly, and community-driven cryptocurrency platform. It's like a game where everyone has a fair shot at success, and users actively participate in shaping the game world. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and Pi Network. If you have questions about Pi Network's vision and mission or any other topics you'd like us to explore, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and may your understanding of Pi Network's vision and mission guide your journey in this exciting crypto world.